Hello, this is Dr. Botleone again, and I just want to talk to you about the pill pads that we have so I can explain to you how to use them because they are non-neutralized. So I'm trying to educate people on how you treat yourself with these pads. And I'm going to show you the two pads that we have. One's a pH toning pad, just like a toner. And the other is a Glycolic TCA pad. Okay? And they're both excellent pads to use to clean your face with. Now I'm going to show you how you should use these pads. I want it to be an educational thing. And I'm going to grab a pad. I have a pad in my hand. And just like I was talking about TCA, if you go over an area once, then it penetrates a certain amount. And then you go over each area. Now, if I want this to penetrate deeper and I want it to clean more, then I would go over the same area again, just like this. So now that's twice that I've gone over it. And if it doesn't bother me and it's not stinging, then you can do it a third time until you figure out how many times you can do it without getting irritated. So I'm going once, and I'm going to clean my face. I feel this side stinging a little bit. So I think I'm going to stop, and I'm going to go down here. I'm going to do my forehead. I'm going to go over each area because my skin is a little oily. So I'm going to go over each area twice. So I want you to see me doing it. The other thing I want you to know is you don't have to worry about it ever scarring or anything else. It should hopefully sting a little bit when you're using the Glycolic TCA pads. The toning pads won't sting, but they're made out of the same thing. They're just a mild version of it. I can feel this stinging a little. Okay, that's good that I feel it stinging a little bit. It should last a couple of minutes. It'll go away. Because it's stinging, I know it's of high quality, non-neutralized, and it's working. So now you can do it twice a week. I recommend you start out twice a week to continue to use it. You can use the toning pads every day. So you would wash, like say for example with the pH, use one of the pads, then use one of the other glycolic products that are in the cream. See, I can feel it stinging even a little more. I know now that this is a great pad, and I know it's really working because it's stinging. If it bothered me a lot, I could neutralize it with water, but I'm just going to leave it sting. It'll be a couple of minutes, then it'll go away. But you should never be afraid of it if it stings. No tingle, no sting, it's of no value. Just trying to educate you. Got any questions? Feel free to always send it to help@dermchoice. Okay, bye.